What's up, guys? It's Sam here with Stolt Fitness, and today I wanted to talk to you about a gym where clothing is optional. Now, before you leave, let me explain. I've always said when I open, or if I open my own gym, I'm going to have clothing optional. And I don't mean all clothing. I mean, you're obviously going to have to wear underwear, but you don't necessarily have to wear a shirt while you're working out. And before I get to my reason, let me walk you through an example. And picture yourself in a room and there's a table, like a bar table, or you're in a bar or something, and there's a fucking smoking hot girl 5-10 feet away from you. And you're leaning on your table with your drink or whatever, and she's looking at you. And it's not that repulsive, like, what the fuck is wrong with that guy look. It's the, oh, I'm attracted to him. And then you notice that she is looking at you. Now, what happens to your body language? What happens to your confidence? Your confidence immediately skyrockets. Your heart starts to beat faster. Instead of leaning on the table, you stand up straight. You bring your chest up. You drop your shoulders back and your chin comes up. This is the alpha male we're talking about. Now you exude confidence. You know what you want now. And that same type of feeling where your confidence picks up and your heart rate beats faster, think about now while you're in the gym and you don't have a shirt on and there's still mirrors everywhere. So you see yourself and you're letting your stomach hang out and you're not keeping it tight. So now you see yourself in the mirror and you look like a slob. So you are going to consciously think about and focus on keeping your stomach sucked in, keeping everything tight, having better posture, so dropping the shoulders back, raising your chest up, keeping your chin up. You're going to focus on doing that. And focusing on working out properly is going to give you a better workout. Two things that are going to happen because people are not going to be wearing the shirt is, besides all the harassment and lawsuits that the gym would have, but besides that, the first, you're going to increase your confidence because they're not trying to look at anybody else. You're trying to focus on yourself. And when you correct your posture, you increase your confidence. Does somebody who has confidence walk around with their shoulders rolled forwards, their head down while they're looking at the ground? No. Somebody who has confidence walks around with their chest out, their shoulders back, and their head up. They know what they want. And this is exactly what you're going to trick your mind into believing. By walking around with the correct posture and you're breathing deeply, this is exactly what you're going to trick your mind into believing. And now that you're walking around with the correct posture and you're focusing on what you're doing, you're focusing on keeping your stomach sucked in, you're focusing on your actual workout, you're going to get a better workout. Think of when you're driving down the highway and you're in the middle lane and you see a Ferrari going by you and just kind of cruising next to you, and you're glancing at it and you're glancing at it, and 20 seconds later you're halfway into the next lane. And that is because you go where you put your focus. So if you put your focus on having an excellent, intense workout, then you're going to have an excellent, intense workout. Now, if you come to the gym and you're not focused, then that's not going to happen. I would like to have a gym where clothing is optional because I believe you're going to have a better workout. Now, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you like this video, then you know what button to press. If you know somebody else who's always taking their shirt off, then share this video with them. I'm sure they would appreciate it. And if you want to see other videos like this in the future, then press that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you on the other side.